Hi everyone, this is Mai. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. I recently uploaded a video on making hand sanitizer. However, I had to use a store-bought aloe vera gel for part of my mixture. So today, I want to show you and share with you on how to make your own aloe vera gel. I will be showing you 3 different methods. Let's get started. I'm washing the aloe vera leaf and leave it upright so the yellow sap can be drained from the aloe vera. This step is very important because the sap can irritate the skin. I am straining the blended aloe vera to ensure that the texture of the gel is very smooth. The method used gelatin. Be sure to use unflavored and unsweetened gelatin. I like to use this as a night mask. It's good for tightening skin and fight wrinkle. It's very hydrated. So I really like this consistency. See, it's enough. It's not. I like the thickness of it. Love it, love it. Looks cool. And this is good for mask. If you want to tighten your face, this is good. Good for face mask. So I'm gonna store it. The second method used xanthan gum. A little bit goes a long way with it. I like the xanthan gum the most because it's very soft and it's best to use for making a gel hand sanitizer. My final method used Agar. Agar require high heat to activate, so I'm letting the water Agar mixture boil for a minute before we moving on to the next step. Agar is my least favorite method. It is very moisturizing, but it has a gritty texture. All of these methods produce a great gel. If you try any of these methods out, let me know on how it goes in the comment below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and see you in the next video.